Phonetics. What is the phonetics? Phonetics is the study of the sound of languages, which are called phonemes. There are literally hundreds of them used in different languages. Even a single language such as English allows us to distinguish between approximately 40 phonemes. Phonetics allows us to delete the difference between accents, dialects, identify individuals, and differentiate small nouns. In speech that indicate messages beyond the obvious meaning of words. The vocal cords can be relaxed, with which the air passes between them without more, are strained, in which case they will vibrate, creating sound. Some phonetics use that sound and are called sound or tonal. Examples include vowels and some consonants. N, L, D, V, and R, for example. Other phonetics do not involve the vibration of the vocal cords. Stories like the sounds H, J, T, and S, and are called deep. In the following table, we will note sound symbols and their pronunciation in words. E, read, eat, sit, book, woo, to, e, make, America, word, sort, a, ta, a, bat, a, part, o, not. Exercise. Listen carefully and write in the corresponding words.
Believe. Cafeteria. Canadian. Comfortable. Develop. Geography. Hotel. Japanese. Obligatory. Picture. Politician. 7